Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as y'all read by the title, your girl got a new car and I am loving it so much, y'all. It was so spontaneous, so that's why I did not record any clips of me going to get my car. I really wasn't expecting to go that day and leave the same day with it. I thought I was just gonna go look and see, you know, if this is what I really want. But no, baby, we walked out same day with the keys. So right here is my new car. I'm so excited. This was such a spontaneous thing to do. But look at this wolf gray exterior. I literally wanted a car that was this color because it's so sleeky to me. It's a little dirty because the rain and the pollutants got all on it, so it does need a little wash, so not too much of that. But first things first, get into this little button right here. So this button, basically click it. I think it locked it because it was already unlocked, yeah. And it unlocks. They came with 2 key fobs. These are huge key fobs, by the way. Let's get into the seats. Look at the beautiful, beautiful seats, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. It literally says GT line. We're gonna start the car so that y'all can see the dashboard light up and everything. And it says, well, why did it not say it? Typically, it'll say good evening, Michaela. Or welcome, Michaela, good evening, Michaela, good morning, Michaela. So I have a dashboard that extends from all the way over here to all the way over here. And I love that. Very, very tech savvy. Comes with all of these charger ports. So I can lay my phone down here, so I don't even need a charger piece, but I can lay it down here and then it'll charge. I have this right here. I could put like a port in here, USB-C ports right there. Here's the steering wheel. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this car. Like the red seats, the red interior just does it for me every single time. So right here we have the lights. Ooh, that wasn't a good idea. But basically the lights here, I can just tap it, it'll turn on. Here is the mirror. Very nice, very cutesy, very clean. We have heat seaters. You can control the temperature, like if you want it high, low, or whatever. This puts my car into sports mode, normal, or custom drive. I could customize how I want my drive to be. So basically, if I'm typically the one who drives it, I could customize how I want my seats, how I want everything, so that it can automatically go to just that state. And right here on, I don't even know what to call this, but basically this is where I can navigate to the home screen, the map, media, and all that other stuff. And then volume, I can navigate to my temperature, and it's dual heating and cooling. So basically if you don't want your side cold but your other person wants their side cold, you can make that happen. You see that? It's on 2 completely different things. Or you could just sync them up together and it'll be the same. So now we're gonna open up the sunroof because my car, it was the premium package and it came with the sunroof, the LED lighting, a couple other stuff, but I forgot. So we're gonna open up the sunroof and I'm gonna show y'all. So we got that first. Ah! So you know, like, we're gonna be outside this summer and we're gonna be on top of cars. This is so cute. I like this. And I actually really wanted one with a sunroof because the one I was gonna settle for didn't have a sunroof, and it didn't have a couple other things that I wanted, but I was gonna settle for it. But I'm so grateful that I serve a God that he doesn't allow me to settle for anything. So this is really, really huge. It has a lot of space in there. I do have a tissue in there. I thought I was gonna need to buy some coasters. It came with the rubber coasters in it, so I don't even have to buy any. I did not show y'all, but this feature right here says auto hold. So basically right there, I can just take my foot off the brake and it'll just hold by itself and it will not go until you press the gas. This right here, because it has driver assistance, so if you're not within like the line, the wheel will move for you. We're gonna move to the back seat. This car is very spacious and I love that, and I have like a lot of leg room, and I really feel like that girl in this car. I'm trying to think of any other features that I have. So I have CarPlay, voice memo, weather, sports, and then here's just like the stuff with the media, with everything that I see. So I have a Kia app. So basically with the Kia app, I can start my car from my phone, turn on my heat seaters from my phone. I can lock my car from my phone. You can literally do a lot. You can see the battery, the mileage. You can see how much gas you have. I can find my car from this, and then I can remote start my car based upon a schedule. So basically, if I want Monday to Thursday for my car to start at 6 a.m. in the morning, my heat seaters to start, or whatever, it will do that. All I have to do is just set it, which I haven't done it yet, but I definitely am gonna try that feature out. Yeah, but I do have remote start on this as well. There's other things within this vehicle that I don't know about yet, but I'm still learning and trying to just like fill out every single feature. But for the most part, I'm in love with this car, and I just treat it so kindly. We have like little pockets for the back of the car. You know, that's what a lot of car has. A good little cup holder for the guest in the back. Just 2 ports down here for anyone who needs to charge their phone. USB-C ports. There's nothing much in the back. Oh, they do got lights in the back as well. We're gonna get into the trunk, and then that honestly is probably gonna be the video because this was so spontaneous. I would have took y'all along if I would have known that I was going there the same day and walking out with the vehicle. Here's the trunk, and as you see, I have like this cargo mat. This one right here, there's like a carpeted one up under it, but I like the fact that this is this material because if there's anything wet, this will prevent my carpet in the back of my trunk to get messed up. I broke down on the side of the highway so many times. I broke down on the side of the road so many times, and it was like pitch black at night. My car would not reverse. It would not go forward. The girl was struggling. It was so many issues going on with that car, but I was like, I'm trying to hold out, but I couldn't hold out any longer. I'm just so excited with the car. I'm so satisfied with it, and I love it so very much. I've had this car for probably, it'll be a week, I think, tomorrow. And it drives so smooth. It was a new car. It had 20 miles, I think. It is a 2025 Kia K5 GT line, wolf gray exterior with red interior. I'm very excited to further my detailing on the car. I want to tint the windows, and I want to have ceramic coating on the car. When I first saw this car, I was like, I have to get it. And I knew I wasn't gonna settle for another car. I was gonna settle for another model of the car, but I wasn't gonna settle for like a different car, if you understand what I'm saying. So I literally saw it and I was like, I want that, gotta have that, I need that. And that's exactly what we did. We went and got what we wanted. I know the lighting is bad, but I just wanted to say, because I also forgot to add, it'll let you know when like another car in front of you is driving away. Like it'll beep, and then it beeps whenever there's like cars beside you, and it has like the little blinker sensor thing, if you know what I'm talking about, that's on your mirrors, that just shows you a car is either beside you. Also knows when your hands are off the steering wheel, so it'll tell you keep your hands on the steering wheel. It shows you the speed limit at the is this called, I think it's called an odometer. The gas does pretty good on the car. That does conclude the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.